Assalamu alaikum. Good day everyone. First of all, I am really happy to get the opportunity to say something about my daily activities. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Well, this is Kazi Amena. I am a student of first year College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐵𝐻, Dhaka, under the Dhaka University. Well, to make the best use of time, everybody should have some daily activities of work. As I am a student, I do some activities. At first, I woke up early in the morning. As I get up, then I brush my teeth and freshen up myself, and I also ablution for prayers. Then I pray my Fajr Salat. After that, I have shower and take my breakfast. Soon after breakfast, I get ready and pick up my bag and go to college. Then I go to my class and start studying. Usually I don't miss any classes because I think all classes are important for me. I continue my classes until the recess, which we get at 11 a.m. During this time, I take snacks and tea with my friends. Soon after the tea break, we go to our respective classes and continue our studies till 2:30 p.m. At 2:30 p.m. my college gets over and I come back my hostel room. Overall, I enjoy the classes very much and learn many things. After reaching home, I freshen up myself and then pray my Fajr Salat. Afterwards, I take my lunch. Then of course, I take some rest before start doing my homework. Then I pray my Asr Salat. After that, I spend some time by using Facebook, and then I pray my Maghrib prayers. Short after that, I revising the things that I learned in the college. Then I take dinner. Then I talk with my family members by using phone and gossiping my roommates. At this time, I plan for the next day classes by going through the lessons that I will be studying in the class, and then I brush my teeth. Finally, as I go to bed and I thank God for the blessed day and sleep. That's all my daily routine. Thank you.